Hi, I've been making planes and factories. Let's get into this video. However, it's important not to forget what your friends have made. Right now, I'm the only one working on the RTS project, but very soon my friends will be helping me as well. Right now, they're learning Bolt, visual scripting. However, their game is soon going to be out and you can try it soon for yourself. Try 1 wasn't that good though. Let's see what I made. I'll first tell you how I made the planes. The planes were made by this. Imagine the yellow circle is our plane. The red circle is its target that we click, because when we do a raycast it can only go on somewhere on the blue line. However, we don't want it to go straight to the red thing, so we move the red thing just by a few up, and then a yellow flies towards the green thing. Our plane has successfully reached the destination. Then now you'll see how the thing calculates the green thing. It goes y plus 5 or plus 5,000 as I did that, and then our yellow thing moves towards it. I was like, what's wrong? To my friend who just yelled cut. He was like, you modern planes don't have wings that are straight, they have wings that curve back. They don't have propellers, they have some oxygen thingy magic instead of a propeller at the front. Now for the improvement of the soldiers. Well, yeah, the soldiers looked pretty ugly. You just look at fat men, right? And soldiers aren't fat men. So I made them a bit cool. Above is also animations and a comparison. You'll be able to see how ugly it was before and how pretty it is now. Cough cough.